Gem install Rails doesn't do anything. I installed Ruby and rubygems on Ubuntu 10.04. Ruby is version 1.8.7. Gems is version 1.3.7. When I try sudo gem install Rails, nothing happens. It just hangs forever. What am I missing? Thanks.
It'll take quite some time to install Rails. There are a lot of dependencies and these need to be downloaded. If you have a slow connection, just wait for a bit.
Try adding v, uppercase, to the end of the install command. It forces the command to be verbose, so you can see things going on. E.g.
Try to add v, uppercase, in the parameter, to show more detail of what is downloading. If it's still very slow or pending somewhere, it normally indicates a low internet connection to the rubygems.org site showing in the output window. You can try to update the source of the gem using by. Gem source are this URL. Gem source, your new source site. In my country, after I switch to this URL, it only takes 1 minute to complete the installation.
In addition to monitoring with the V flag, it's also worth checking that you can pull anything from the internet first. If you're not sure, new server, for example, try wget/dev/null https://rubygems.org/ and see if there is trouble retrieving the source site.
If you want to